In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create an FTP account in Cpanel through Hostgator. Whether you're a budding web developer or someone setting up your own site, knowing how to manage your files via FTP is incredibly useful. So let's dive in. The first step is to head over to Hostgator's website. Once you're there, look for the sign in option. This is typically located on the top right corner of the page, making it quite easy to spot. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Remember, maintaining strong and secure passwords is crucial here to protect your website's files. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostgator homepage. This is your central hub for hosting management. Next, you'll want to click on the Websites tab. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing and configuring your hosting environment. From there, look for an option that says Advanced. It may seem a little intimidating at first, but don't worry, we're here to walk you through it. Clicking on Advanced gives you access to more detailed options related to your hosting, including FTP access. Now navigate to the Manage section. Here you'll find various settings and configurations you can tweak. Keep an eye out for the FTP access option and click on it. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is your gateway to seamlessly upload and download files to your server, something every website manager should be comfortable with. In the FTP access area, you'll see another option labeled Manage. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to an interface where you can create a new FTP account. Just a couple more clicks and you're almost done. On this page, look for the Create FTP Account button. It's usually prominent enough to find easily. Click on it to start setting up your new FTP account. You'll need to enter some details here: the username, domain, and a secure password for the account. Make sure that your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize security. Once you've filled in these details, you simply save or create the account, and just like that, you've set up your new FTP account in Cpanel on Hostgator. Having this set up will enable you to manage your website's files more efficiently, giving you more control over your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on web hosting and site management. Happy file transferring,